Tonight I had the pleasure of finding a sphinx moth I have not yet encountered in the wild. Meet the Ash Sphinx, a large and beautiful species that closely resembles the waved sphinx, but with some differences. The most obvious way to identify this species is by the two black lines running down the length of its wings like runways. This is something that is easy to spot and will not be present on the waved sphinx, who has similar coloring and undulating patterns. I have been lighting for moths for years steadily, and I'm quite surprised I have not seen this one before. The ash sphinx is an ash specialist and really does not feed on anything else. There have been reports of finding them on other plants in areas outside their natural range, but there is no evidence anything but ash can sustain them to adult. They are so dependent on ash trees that they are vulnerable in areas affected by ash tree loss, such as by the ash tree borer. The moth is considered uncommon and mostly localized to the eastern United States. The larvae are usually found high in the tree canopy, and locating caterpillars can prove challenging, although they do glow brightly under black lights. Now I have noticed that a second one has arrived, so let me see if I can get them together. So this species, like many, is nocturnal, attracted to lights, and they are pollinators. Not all sphinx moths eat as adults, but these do, and they are able to hover and feed from flowers in midair, which is common in sphinx moths. They are also known to be powerful, fast flyers and can cover large distances. And I did just notice that the back of their head looks kind of like an angry gremlin face, but I'm not sure everyone will see that. So anyway, thank you for coming along on this visit with another beautiful species, and stay tuned as you never know who we will find next.